to admit I'd never win this game. It was rigged in favor of the rich. I always be just poor. I was all alone with nothing. Tears started pouring out of me. And then I got a phone call. Rachel, Anna, I'm sorry I abandoned you. Said such horrible things. I heard your mom.
Welcome to the future entertainment.
Hello.
Saan ka makakagawa ng kahit anong kwento. Ikaw ang tanong.
Hagad na siya ngayon sa'yo. Kanina iyak siya. Hi. Lumaki yung mata niya. No. Meet me serious.
Make it cute. I saved your butt. I'll get you another one soon. Promise. What's your name? Natalie. And you? Caleb.
Wow.
Friends? Okay.
No
Caleb
more.
and Natalie became best friends. Growing up, they shared their love for food. They were their good friends.
Ano nandiri siya?
Especially for people like the Harrisons. Caleb was 11 years old, and his mom let him go. Mr. Cross.
Parang tinatamad na eh. Tinitigil niya yung ulo. Antog daw siya. Ngayon na yan. Close open, close open, close open. Clap. Clappy. How's Clappy? Clap your hands. Clap, clappy. Clappy, clappy. Clappy, clappy. Close open. Close open. Close open. Close open. Close open. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Clappy. This is Clappy. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hello. Oo. Hi. Hello. Pogi. You're so foggy. Hi. Nakipag-ice to ice siya sa ano. No. Aray. Kakamot na lang siya. Galit eh.
Sabi, ano ba yan? Di ako alam. Inatak niya yung damit niya. Kasi inatak ko na
Hinihila mo kasi eh. Gagalit tuloy. Yung asar siya pero wala, hindi siya makareklamo.
Ayan, ang ganyan kanina, ginayos niya.
Ang sikip man daw kasi. Ayan.
Inaayos niya.
Galit na yan. Ayan.
Asar siya.
Asar siya eh.
Nagalo. Nakakunot na yung noong. Layo naman siya. Nainit.
Uy, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's
Pero
hot.
naggutom nga siya.
It's hot. I told you it's hot.
Tingnan, tatakang-takang siya.
It's all yours.
Nanginginig siya. Kasi nga mainit na nanginginig siya.
Pag yung mga lagay ko konting at konti lang naman.
Hmm.
Mama, init nga. Gusto niya na kumain.
Hmm. Uy. Tatakas na.
Mainit nga daw kasi. Tuwang-tuwa siya yun.
Ay, nako po.
This is the way we say hello. Hello.
Sige, bubig na
Say
likod mo.
hello. This is the
Sinusuksok
way
niya na
we
sinusuksok
say
sa bunga
hello.
niya.
Let's be
Luluwa niya yan.
friends.
Kanina hindi.
This is the way we share our toys. Share our toys. Share our toys.
This is the way we share our toys.
Let's be friends. This is the way we take turns. Take turns. Take turns. This is the way we take turns. Let's be friends. This is the I, J,